Okay, here we have a 2007 Chrysler Pacifica here, and we had a code here, and I wasn't so sure what was causing the issue, what was bringing this code, but when I took the pan down, the transmission, it had metal in the pan, so I went on and took the transmission out. The code that it was showing was a P0792 intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit range performance, and it had a P0735 gear 5 incorrect ratio. Okay, it was doing some weird shifting, but also the ABS and all that stuff came on, which made me wonder if it was something other than the transmission. But I decided to go and take the transmission out, and we're going to go over here. I'm going to show you what I saw here. This has a 62 TE transmission in it, and it is a part here, and I went straight to this old compounder. When I took this compounder off, if you could see, let me see, right here there is a sealing ring that's off. Okay, what has happened? Alright, if you see here, let's see, the sealing ring came all the way up. If you see a piece of the land right here, right there. So what it did, it wore this whole land out. See this? It moved. It goes all the way up. It's not supposed to be doing that. And the bottom one is worn out too. You see, there's a gap right here. It is. There's a gap right there. So this here created this gap from here to here. Here it goes. Couldn't seal and broke. And the part of it came off when this broke off right here. Okay. Now I have another one over here so you can compare the two. Now you see this? This is the top. This is what you was looking at. This is how close it should be. Right here. From here to here. Right there. But it wore that big wide gap. Now see at the bottom on this one, it's been wearing this one down. See? These can affect shifts. I've always heard that. I always change these, and I don't like taking chances on this, but this one was one that was extreme. I was waiting to even find one that would do this, and I got it. There it goes. Alright, so you can see it has definitely, look, it got a little here, but it went on and wore it all the way up, all the way up. That's terrible. How it do that, I don't know. It just wear on past. Okay, again, look at this one. See, if I take this off, you can see the gap. Alright. That's the gap. That's where it should be. The gap here. Here's the big one. And it went up to here. Okay, so this is a 62 TE transmission. Now, the reason I show you that is so that you see what type of code it threw. It threw an intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit range performance in a P0735 gear 5 incorrect ratio. Now, I've had it where I've had an intermediate shaft speed sensor circuit range performance code, and you think it was an electrical code when this part right here blew the snap ring out. You know, was it this one? Was this part or this part? One of them blew the snap ring out. This is the compounder, yeah. So yeah, this is it. When this part blew out, okay, then it would throw a code, a circuit code, probably because the circuit couldn't read it or something. So I guess if this is not turning, or something is not turning the way it's supposed to turn, it faults it as a circuit code, intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit code. So we'll find out if this was the cause, or does it have something extra that's causing the problem. But I'm almost going to bet that it's not. It's going to be this part over here that's caused the issue with the ring blowing the land off. You know, it's all broken right up there. Alright, it's another video for a 62 TE transmission. This one here is about to be rebuilt, put back together.